You know, that's my trademark or tagline. Okay. So yeah, I just want to show you the glass for all our office. Yeah, it's great, right? So we already added glass. They already painted inside for all of the office. Yun. Swan. Swan as well. Yeah. So as you see, it's all white, right? It's like an hospital. But don't worry, we have some for that because we're adding some mural or graffiti each of the corner right here. For example, this one, we will add a comic style graffiti. The section. This one as well. And also in the beside the Outsource Sharks logo. And here is the best part because this is our conference. And also we have a podcast for our Outsource Sharks, and then all of this corner right here. So it's a big wall, right? We will add some graffiti. So for all of this section right here, because here we will set up a podcast style studio on which you can see me and my partner William or some of the guests or influencers that we can invite here, right? And we will add the camera here. So I'm very excited. This will be finished next week and I'll update you. So take care.